Good morning students. Today we discuss about surface area and volumes of a solid body. Surface. A plane surface which enclose a solid is called the surface of the solid. यानी कि वे surfaces जो कि solid को enclose करती हैं उनको कहा जाता है उस solid की surfaces. तो firstly we discuss about cuboid and cube. Cuboid. For example, it is the shape of a cuboid. Cuboid which contain total 6 surfaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It contains total 6 surfaces. So in a cuboid number of surfaces are 6. Similarly, in a cube also contains 6 surfaces, but in a cuboid surfaces are rectangular, but in a cube all surfaces are square. Next, lateral surface area. So what is the lateral surface area? So to discuss a lateral surface area, we describe a cuboid in a net form. Net form mean suppose हमने किसी क्यूबॉइड की सारी सरफेस को ओपन किया like this. We see that there are total 6 surfaces in which this surface is top surface and it is base, and these are total 4 surfaces which are covered the solid, and these 4 surfaces are called lateral surfaces. It's mean वे surfaces जो किसी क्यूबॉइड को cover करती हैं are called lateral surfaces, and it is a top surface and it is a base surface. So we have to discuss lateral surface area. So we have to discuss these 4 surfaces, and in these 4 surfaces firstly discuss about their dimensions. Suppose it is a cuboid, then the red color is indicated by length, blue color is indicated by breadth, and the green color is indicated by height. So in the lateral surface area, in this surface we notice that there are 2 dimensions, breadth and height. So its area is breadth into height. So we just note down, in the lateral surface area there are total 4 surfaces. There are total 4 surfaces. तो उनमें से जो एक सरफेस है ये वाली, इसमें हमें ब्रेथ और हाइट को डिस्कशन करना है. तो इट्स एरिया इज ब्रेथ इनटू हाइट. नाउ इन दिस सरफेस we notice that there are 2 dimensions, length and height, because red color indicate length and green color indicate height. So plus length into height plus third surface. In this surface breadth and height are include. So breadth into height plus in this surface length and height are include. So L multiply H. Now arrange them. B multiply H and B multiply H. So we can write 2 multiply B multiply H. L multiply H, L multiply H. So we write 2 multiply L multiply H. Now we take common 2 multiply H in a bracket length plus breadth. So it's the formula of lateral surface area 2 bracket में L plus B into height unit square. So it is the formula of lateral surface area of a cuboid. Similarly, in a cube there are considered 4 surfaces, and the area of each surface is a square because there are shape square. So a square plus a square plus a square plus a square, it's mean 4a square. So we can say that the formula of lateral surface area of a cuboid 2L plus B into height and for the cube 4a square. Lateral surface area is also called area of four walls. It is also called area of four walls because we discuss their four surfaces and which make a wall of the cuboid. Now total surface area. Total surface area mean when in the lateral surface area of top and area of base are included. अगर हम टॉप और बेस दोनों को इंक्लूड कॉल कर दे देन इट कॉल्ड टोटल सरफेस एरिया. अब एरिया ऑफ टॉप, सो टू डिस्कस टोटल सरफेस एरिया 2l plus b into height plus. Now area of top, red it's indicate length, blue indicate breadth, so l multiply b plus area of base, length and breadth are indicate, so again l multiply b, so 2l plus b into h plus 2 multiply l multiply b, so we can take 2 as a common, so lh plus bh plus lb. So finally formula of total surface area is 2 in a bracket l multiply b plus b multiply h plus h multiply l square unit and its all surface are in the shape of square, so their total surface area is 6a square unit. Now we discuss volume. The basic formula of volume is area of base multiply height. वॉल्यूम का जो बेसिक फॉर्मूला है एरिया ऑफ बेस मल्टीप्लाई हाइट, और इन द क्यूबॉइड वी कैन से दैट एरिया ऑफ बेस इज l multiply b, so area of base multiply height, so it is formula of volume of cuboid, unit की पावर 3. Similarly in a cube, area of base a square into height, it's mean a cube, unit की पावर 3. So these are formulas of cuboid and cube for lateral surface area, total surface area and volume. And one formula also include length of the diagonal. So what is the formula of length of diagonal? Length of diagonal for cuboid under root l square plus b square plus h square unit, and the for cube under root 3 multiply a unit. So these are formulas of cuboid and cube, just note down. Okay student, now we discuss about cylinder. Cylinder, it is the shape of a cylinder. So number of surfaces, a cylinder contains 3 surfaces, one surface, second and third, blue and red and green. So there are total 3 surfaces. And now what is the type of surfaces? You can see that one surface is circular, second surface is also a circular and this surface is, तो इसको हम थोड़ा ओपन करके देखते हैं कि जो ये सरफेस है इसकी शेप कैसी है. If we open a cylinder then we observe that its shape is like a rectangular. So there are 2 surfaces are circular and one surface is rectangular. Now its cut surface area, the surface which cover a cuboid is called cut surface area. So it is a cut surface. So how can we find out its area? Its shape is rectangular and the area of rectangle is length into breadth, we can say that it is the height of a cylinder. So its breadth is height and its length, because it is a circle, and when we put a circle and this portion is called circumference of a circle, and we know that circumference of a circle is 2 pi r, यानी कि सर्किल की जो बाउंड्री है हम उसे 2 पाई आर कॉल करते हैं. सो इट इज ऑल्सो कंसिडर एज 2 पाई आर. So we can say that the rectangle length of the rectangle is 2 pi r. So we can say that cut surface area is, जिसके शेप कैसी है रेक्टेंगुलर, इट्स मीन 2 pi r is the length of the rectangle and multiply h is the breadth of the rectangle. So 2 pi r h, it is a cut surface area of a cylinder. Now total surface area, when in the cut surface area, area of top and area of bottom both are added, then it is called total surface area. So 2 pi r h, area of top and area of base both are included, it's mean 2 pi r h plus 2 pi r square. We take 2 pi r common, then it is a formula of total surface area. Unit square, unit square. Now its volume. Again, volume is the basic formula of volume is area of base into height, and we notice that the base of the cylinder is circular. So area of circle is pi r square and into height. So volume is pi r square h unit की power 3. So it is a cut surface area, it is a total surface area, and it is the volume of a cylinder. Just note down. Okay students, next solid is cone. Cone, it is a type of a birthday cap, joker cap, etc. It has 3 dimensions. First, vertical height. Second, slant height indicated by small l and the radius. Small h vertical height, r radius of a base, l slant height. So its cut surface area, वो सरफेस जिसने इसको कवर कर रखा है, it means it is a cone. This surface called cut surface area. So its area is pi r n unit square. Total surface area, when in the cut surface area, area of the base is also attached, then it is called total surface area. So pi r l plus pi r square, pi r common, r plus l unit square. Volume, and the volume is 1/3 pi r square h unit की power 3. And one formula also include to find out slant height, l equal to under root के अंदर r square plus h square unit. So these are formulas of cone. Just note down. Now students, solid is sphere and hemisphere. Hemisphere is just half of sphere. So firstly, sphere has only one dimension, which is called radius. Football, basketball, cricket ball, lemon, these are type of spheres. Its surface area, it contain only one surface, so it have only a surface area 4 pi r square unit square. And its volume is 4/3 pi r cube unit की power 3. Similarly, in the hemisphere, it contains two surfaces. One surface is curved surface and second total surface. So its curved surface area, it's half of this surface area, which is called 2 pi r square. Total surface area. When in the cut surface area of this circle is included. So 2 pi r square plus pi r square. So its area is 3 pi r square, and its volume. Obviously, half of this volume, it's mean 2 by 3 pi r cube. Unit square or unit की power 3. And last, if we consider height of a sphere, then its diameter is called height of the sphere and the radius is called height of the hemisphere. So these are the solids we discussed in the chapter surface area and volumes. So just note down and learning properly. Thank you very much.